Smart kitchen gadgets on Amazon. Getting help in the kitchen usually requires a sous chef or a countertop appliance. But a nifty gadget is all it takes when it comes to smaller tasks. Clever kitchen gadgets make cooking, chopping, and storing food much easier. And if you didn't know, handy kitchen tools like these tend to run pretty cheaply. But don't let the low cost fool you. Wurlosol Chopper. Are you tired of chopping your vegetables daily using a knife and a chopping board? So here is a motorized solution in the form of a Wurlosol Chef Elite 300 Dolu chopper. This chopper contains a robust 300 Dolu motor placed atop the plastic jar that contains the twin-blade chopping system. Using the appliance is easy. All you do is remove the motor, open the jar lid, and place the vegetables inside the 600 ml jar. Close the lid and connect the motor to a standard 2-pin electrical connection. Switch on the power source and press the appliance switch placed on top of the motor in a regular up and down fashion. Please note that the engine will not work if you continuously press the button. Agora Yogurt Make. What do you do when you wish to have a bowl of fresh yogurt? You go to the supermarket and get one, but you do not know when it has been prepared and the quality of the ingredients that go into it. So here is the perfect solution. Agora Classic Portable Yogurt Maker can help prepare 1.2 liters of fresh yogurt whenever you want. The yogurt making process is straightforward. Add a liter of milk and some fermented yogurt into the yogurt making machine and cover it adequately. Switch on the electric power supply and wait for 6 to 8 hours. Then your fresh yogurt is ready. The benefit of using this product is that it ensures uniform heating and maintains a constant temperature. In addition, the double deck seal is essential because it prevents bacterial contamination. Bacteria can multiply quickly if you do not seal the appliance properly. Home Pixie Measuring Spoon Set. Measuring the correct quantity of spices is essential when preparing your masalas and chutneys. Home Pixie Stainless Steel Measuring Spoon Set offers 7 stainless steel spoons of varying measuring capacities in a single appliance. So, measuring the perfect quantity of ingredients should not be an issue now. The exciting feature of this handy product is that it does not rust and hence lasts long. Besides, it is dishwasher safe. So, cleaning the spoons is not a problem. Home Pixie Spoon Set offers 7 different measures: A. 1 tablespoon, B. 1/2 tablespoons to C. 1 teaspoon, D. 3/4 teaspoons, E. 1/2 teaspoons, F. 1/4 teaspoons, and G. 1/8 teaspoons. The measurements are marked on each spoon, making it easy for you to use. Organize Me Stainless Steel Chopping Board. Everyone knows that chopping vegetables is the most challenging job in the kitchen. Almost everyone has a chopping board at home. Usually, they are plastic or wooden boards that do not last long. Organize Me offers a stainless steel chopping board that ensures your knives do not blunt as you chop your vegetables. Besides, steel boards last for generations if you maintain them properly. Another advantage of steel over wooden and plastic boards is the ease of cleaning these boards. Wood can absorb water and attract mold formation. Similarly, plastics absorb food odor, making them smelly after chopping onions and garlic. In contrast, the stainless steel boards enable easy and healthy shopping experiences. Wonderchef Glass French Press. Nothing can be more rejuvenating than a hot glass of coffee every morning. While we have various brands of instant coffee on the market, nothing can beat the traditional filter coffee our grandmothers make for us when we visit them. Do you feel it is challenging to prepare the decoction for your coffee? No, it is easy. Wonderchef offers a unique product known as the Glass French Press that can brew your favorite delicious filter coffee in 3 minutes. Do you find it difficult to believe? The process is simple. The plus point of this appliance is that the process is quick. In contrast, stainless steel coffee filters can take more than an hour for the decoction to filter through the coffee powder. NutriPro Juicer Mixer Grinder and Smoothie Maker. What if you need a glass of fresh fruit juice, especially if you are away from home? There is no need to visit the juicer parlor and have fruit juice served in unhygienic conditions. The NutriPro Juicer Mixer Grinder is the perfect appliance for you, as you can prepare your favorite fruit juices and smoothies within no time without compromising on their quality and hygiene. NutriPro Juicer Mixer Grinder and Smoothie Maker 500W. The NutriPro appliance features a powerful 500W motor that should prove sufficient to prepare smoothies, milkshakes, chutneys, grind spices, and fry fruits. The appliance comes packed with 2 unbreakable jars with 2 detachable lids. First, you cut your fruits and vegetables and put them inside the jar. Kent Super Egg Boiler. Boiling your eggs every morning can be challenging using traditional methods. The Kenti Super Egg Boiler makes it convenient to boil up to 6 eggs simultaneously. Then, you add your eggs and the required amount of water and switch on the machine. This helpful device offers 3 boiling modes: soft, medium, and hard. The stainless steel body ensures quicker and uniform boiling. Besides, it caters to the hygiene factor. The appliance has an auto cutoff function that allows you to boil eggs without supervising the process. A quality stainless steel body and a flat heating plate are added to its design for optimum durability and great performance. Also, it won't rust or ruin the taste of your eggs while boiling. Its automatic power turn-off and over-temperature protection are 2 safety functions that ensure the total safety of the user. The appliance cuts the power supply once the eggs are boiled. Havells Aqua Plus Kettle. COVID-19 has made us return to the old and healthy practices of drinking warm water instead of having cold water directly from the fridge. However, there is no need to boil your water because Havells has introduced its 1.2 liters Aqua Plus double wall kettle that can heat water within no time. This device works on electricity and has an auto shut-off function that switches off the power supply once the water reaches the threshold temperature. The double wall insulation maintains heat for an extended duration. Hence, it saves power. Secondly, the outer body does not heat up. Thus, it prevents your hands from getting scalded. The sturdy handle allows you to pour the hot water comfortably. Philips Hand Blender. You always need a smoothie maker or a mixer grinder to blend your milkshakes and lasses. No, because Philips HL Hand Blender can do a perfect job. This Philips appliance works on a powerful 250 Ohm motor, capable of rotating the blades at a speed of 18,000 revolutions per minute. So, whisking your lasses or blending milkshakes should not be an issue. Besides, this appliance can work with hot and cold dishes. This Philips Hand Blender has 2 sets of blades: A blending blade, and B, a whisking blade. You can comfortably place the blender inside the vessel and power it on. However, please ensure not to use it with excess loads because the appliance can get hot and damaged. It is better to divide the load and use the device. The blades are easy to clean because they are detachable. HealthSense Digital Food Weight Machine. HealthSense Chef-Made KS33 Digital Kitchen Weighing Scale and Food Weight Machine. You have seen the latest YouTube video detailing the preparations of your favorite recipe. You wish to try it out at home but are stumped because you cannot use the correct quantity of ingredients. The HealthSense Chef-Made KS33 Digital Kitchen Weighing Scale makes your job of weighing the ingredients most accurately. This machine can weigh in grams, milliliters, pounds, and ounces. The weighing machine works on enhanced technology with high-precision sensors. It can weigh up to a maximum of 5 kgs. Other notable features include an error and overload indicator, a low battery indicator, and an automatic shut-off system for extended battery use. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.